So friends, this is my online Nettech discussion in computer hardware course. I will continue this video. Okay. So my last previous video we put for understand about what is the viewing angle of LCD monitor. This is a very important for understand about LCD technology and LED monitor, how this LED monitor work start. So LED technology, how this start up and how these systems sit. So LED is a light emitting diode. I'm already show you. Okay, I already told you, and I'm created history last previous video watch you put for every pixel how this working in LED system. So that is one type of LCD and change of your screen resolution of LCD LED system. Okay, and after I'm created plasma display, how this plasma system technology. Okay, this is a plasma display system and how this plasma system work out. That is one type of created a new type of technology OLED system. I'm already created my previous video very important for OLED technology, and OLED technology very flexible and very type of transparent system. Okay, so watch previous video very important for either you cannot understand this video. Okay, so this is OLED is one type of structure and how this is better than LCD OLED system. Okay, so watch previous video very important for either you cannot understand. I'm already created already my all video part wise. Okay, so OLED is a very important understand about OLED system. So you can see here OLED system and technology is one type of startup. Okay, so how this startup in OLED technology. So I previous video I have told you how this OLED monitor on market. Okay, so let's start and understand this market how to change of high level type of monitor systems. So let's start. So before start my video, I'm give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here
friend,
and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related computer related advanced computer hardware network software everything playlist I'm already created. So click on playlist and you can see if you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10,
so friends, this is
every
a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64 bit? What is a 32 bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time
so
I'm
friend, this is a my online.
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So OLED monitor on the market. After years of waiting and seeing OLED adopted in a wide range of devices such as mobile phone, tablets, TVs, and wearables in early 2016. Okay, so Dell company announced the world first OLED monitor, the Ultra Sharp UP3017Q model name. Okay, so OLED technology is the first company, invest on this system technology and announce OLED monitor. Already created some mobile phone, tablet already in the market and TVs, but monitor technology, computer monitor technology, first time of start and announce Dell company. Okay, so Dell company is one type of announce ultra sharp of monitor system. This 13 was supposed launch March 2016 $4,099. Okay, 4,999. It was 2016 time. Okay, so that is one type of uh, their company launch. Okay, but they reported scrapped plans. Okay, scrapped plan for this product. Okay, in April 2017, Dell brought the UP3017 cube back and started shipping it $3,499 to start a new type of OLED marketing, showing and selling type of component in system. Okay, so Dell Ultra Sharp and 13 OLED for 2015 to more to change. Okay, so this is 2017 to 2021, 2021 in 25,000 of more to OLED marketing launch monitor of OLED system. So OLED is very important for that is a very change and the market monitor market of system. In early 2018, Asus launched Asus company new announced second company announced OLED monitor. Okay, and give name type of name Pro Art PQ22UC, that is one type of showing a new of announcing so Asus company. Okay, Dell after new company Asus company is announced OLED monitor and marketing launch. This is a very of demand system and which features add including 20.6 inch. You can see in how much you can see. So that is a 3840 to 2116 resolution support and 2.204 ppi OLED display is a one type of new feature added Asus company. Okay, so that is a very high level type of to ultra to 4 key system developed in OLED system. Okay, so monitor high level of resolution, high level product and high type of 3D technology is very high, uh, more to more of a very good opportunity for uh, video editing, graphics designing, gaming, and engineers of competitive type of programming engineers, sharp and very high of picture quality. So that is a very good of OLED display of benefit every side of because thinner and very high level type of system. The display is provided by JOLD using its inkjet printing process. Okay, so that is sometime inkjet printing process. In March 2019, ASUS started ship the PQ22UC, that is an inkjet printing process inside some LED system setup, and ASUS company is launched to March 2019 ship. Okay, so it was very good offer starting in the UK, where price it set 4,529 pound. Okay, so that is one type of UK country very of large of using Asus company OLED system, in which will make a US price around 5,000 rupees only. means $5,000 only. Okay, so $5,000 is it was 2019, but 2023 after more to OLED monitor is one type of a high type of price. Okay, so that is a marketplace in uh, these product price up down and not fix it. Okay, so depend on one to another side of technology, depend on your how technology people's like, and how your product more to more benefit for every side, every workplace area side. Okay, so OLED is a very of a system of setup and a new type of 4K system, 4K technology. So that is a world first OLED monitor ultra sharp in the UP and UP301617Q. That is a model for announced Dell company. Okay, and the Dell company after announce Asus announce OLED monitor. So that is a monitor is very important for computer engineers, different type of sharpening and new type of creating graphics card to you can high level type of playing gaming, and you can editing videos, you can create a graphics designing, and going to outside area you can create a new event, your your programs, your event, different type of parties, and you make big display background side. So that is the one type of OLED very of good and very usable and very benefitful. That is the one type of OLED monitor and a very high level type of technology is set up here. So that is the important of a system of OLED system. So next time I will continue 4K LED display. Okay, that is the one type of a 4K OLED display. So what is a 4K technology and why this 4K is more better to high level type of 4K, why call that is. So I will show you in next video this on this topic continue. Okay, so any questions or comment me and I will give answer 24 hours. So click on subscribe and click on like button when I upload new video, so you can uh, watch my video, and any problem, any questions or comment me. So like for my motivation, and thank you. Have a nice day. My all video part wise and watch one by one video, either you cannot understand because my all video depend on other video. Okay, so that is a very important for understand about the 4K LED. Next time I will show you. Okay, so that is a very important, watch all of video part wise. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. You can learn more to more increase your knowledge for computer and network and hardware in control panel. I'm already created playlist, so watch it. Okay, so thank you.